Madison Velasco, and this is
Mami Sam.
and this is
Elijah.
and we are going to
View
Mall.
We're gonna do a
Bye. Happy.
باستخدام بطاقة دارو أو البطاقة المصرفية أو التذكرة الإلكترونية لتطبيق حافلات الرياض على
So we are.
جهاز
Hello everyone. We are on the bus. We are going to View Mall, and we're going to Pasyal there.
what number of bus do we derive?
250.
Hi Mary, are you okay there, Mary?
And now grab the next stop is Arimaya 601.
Yes.
Then we are coming inside, and then we're going to close, and then we're going to the next station.
Yay! Daming daldal eh. Mary. Ayusin mo headband mo, oh. Ay, kuya.
Guys, now we stop.
We are almost in the
Yeah!
View Mall. So, ang init. Of course, naglakad kami kasi
to bring the umbrella and shades.
that's so funny.
Because we're having sunlight.
But malapit lang naman ang View Mall, guys.
But
Oh,
it's only
see?
for vitamin D.
It's okay.
Getting bigger or
Oh.
my eyes are
Did you
getting
enjoy?
Yeah, we
Okay.
are. I hope. Let me check. I'll just take a check at the PlayStation.
Mm.
I'll just take a check.
Yes, finally. O, diba? Ang gala. Sobrang init. Ang gala. Ramdam ang init.
Hindi dito.
Mainit talaga. You want to ride the bus again?
Yes!
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Finally. Oh. Exit to Aling.
Guys, now we're inside the View Mall and we're in Gate 1.
Yeah.
We're just
So
gonna
excited.
explore there, but I need to get the PlayStation.
You don't have money.
Right.